Are you a content creator and you are using your phone to create content? I use phone to create all my videos. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a good looking thumbnail for your video just by using your phone. And we are going to use this old and broke Samsung phone here to create a good looking thumbnails. Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Usman. So before we start, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and turn the post notification so that you don't miss a feature content like this. And we are going to use a free background remover. And we are not going to use Photoshop because Photoshop, you need a skill to create a good looking thumbnail. And Canva also is free, but when you want to remove a background, sometimes they will ask you to upgrade, so the free version has a limit. But here we are going to use completely free tools, free background remover, free editor. Everything we are going to use in this video is free, so stay till the end and see how we are going to design a good looking thumbnail. And we start right now. Now we are on the phone, so we are going to look for an app called Pixel App. Now we click on the App Store and we type Pixel App. Now here it is. Then we click on this. This is the app that you are going to download if you want to make a good looking thumbnails using your mobile phone. So let's click on this. This is the app, Pixel App, text on pictures. Now we open this app. Now I'm going to turn it this way so that you can see very clear. Now here we are. Now we're going to design a text. This app has a cool feature, but first we're going to click here and we look for the image size. Here it is. We click on image size and we look for YouTube thumbnails. Here it is. Then we click on YouTube thumbnails. Then you will see 1280 by 720. Then we click OK. Then here is the background that we are going to design our thumbnail. Now this is the text. Now this is default. You can select different type of background here, different type of style on this right hand side, but for me I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to leave it at default. So we click here. Let's say thumbnails. Thumbnail. Now we click OK and we're going to change the text. We make it uppercase. Now we hit enter. Now if you want to enlarge this image, this text, you can click here and drag it like this, and we're going to design this. So we click on the A here we look for the font. Then let us look for a good font for this text. Now we look for good font. Okay, I like this. So we hit enter. If you want, you can save it here also for next time. But for this tutorial, let's leave it like this. Then we click OK. And we're going to look for the background. Then we're going to look for the background. We want to change the background. And here it is. We click background and we enable this. Then we look for color. Then if you want, you can select color here and you click on this plus and you select different type of color, and we reduce the opacity and we add this texture a bit. And I like it like this. If you want to add the color, you can add it. You can play on these features also, but I like it like this. So we click OK. Let's say we want to make another image. Now we're going to click on this and we duplicate it. We click on duplicate, copy, and we get another text also, so that you cannot create different, you cannot design this one again. You can just click on create. Now here we're going to click on this also. We go to edit and we type Android. We change the text and we hit OK. And we can also change the background here because we have to make different type of background. So we go to background, we click here on colors, we click on this plus, we can select something that's nicer and this, and we can even increase the opacity a bit, or we'll make it blue or light blue. Let us see this. I think this is good, but let us change still the color and maybe we'll make it red or yellow. We hit enter, and I think I like this. And we're going to duplicate this also. We hit OK. We duplicate this, and we click here. We say version. And we change the text type. Okay, and also we're going to change the color, also the background. So we go to background, color here. Let's say we want to make this like green, and I think this look cool. Though we have to add, let's change the green color a bit. Let's make it a bit darker. I think this one is okay. And now we have to increase these sizes. So when someone see our thumbnail, they will read it from far place. Now we hit here, and we can also make it a bit. We can also design it a bit, like dragging it a bit, making it look another more styling, and make it like this, or make it like this. And here we can also play with this a bit, and let's say we'll make this one like this. Okay, and we design it.
And now we already finished the first part. Now we are going to get our own picture. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the background from your picture all for free. We are not using Photoshop, neither Canva, so we are going to use a free tool to remove the background. So let me show you how to do it.
Let us find image and we put it on our thumbnail, because you know when you have image on your thumbnail, people likely to click on it. So now we exit from here, we go to Google and we type remove, then we click on this, then we click here. Now this website will help us remove the background image for free without using Photoshop, because using Photoshop it will take a lot of time, and some tools you are going to pay like Canva, but here you are going to do it for free. So let us upload an image. Now let me select the image. These are my images that I've already took for my thumbnail. Let me look for one that I like. I think I like this one. Then we hit done. Now we are going to remove the background. Now here it is. Then now the background has been removed. Now we download this picture. Now it's there. So let us go to our project again. We click here. Then if you want to add a picture on this thumbnail, then you click here. Then you go to from my gallery. Then here is the picture. That we click on the picture. So let's say we reduce the size a bit. We click here, and here is the picture. Now let us reduce the size a bit, though I like it like this way. So now let us add a watermark here on this, because we are talking about YouTube. So let us add a logo. Now what we are going to do, we go exit from here. Also we go to Google and this time round we type Pixabay, because don't use the images that are here on Google, because most of them they are copyright, so don't fall on victim for copyright. So we go to Pixabay, we click here, we click here also, then we're going to type YouTube, we click search, and we scroll, go down, and we can see different type of images. Let's say I like this, so we click on this and we press on the image and we hit download this image. So now let's go back to our thumbnail and we hit also on this plus button and we go to gallery and we see the one that we downloaded and we reduce the size. No, sorry. And we hit OK. So we reduce it. So this is the way how to make a good looking thumbnail. So if you want, you can play with these colors a bit. On the picture also, we can click on the picture and we go to this. If you want, we can make it border, let's say shadow. Then if you want, we can make a shadow on the picture, let's say this, and we increase it like this or like this. If you want, we can add shadow on the picture, or now if you want, we can add stroke to this image to make it more beautiful. We click here, we go to stroke, we click enable the stroke, and we increase the opacity a bit. So now you see, so this is the thumbnail we have made. You can play on these images and you change different type of thing if you don't want it, but for me, I think I like this, the way it looks like this. So the next thing we are going to do now is to download this project. So this is how you're going to design a good looking thumbnails for your videos. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. So I think I'm satisfied with this. So we click on this dot also this side and we export our image. Now we go to use it, we go to export image here. Now the quality, we're going to put it at JPEG or PNG, it's up to you. So the wide, just leave it like this because this is the size that YouTube recommend. And if you want, you can share it also on this social media. Then we click save. So now our picture has been saved. So let's go to our gallery and see it. Now we click here. Now this is our thumbnail. So this is how you're going to make a thumbnail using mobile phone.
And here you go. This is how you are going to create a good looking thumbnail just by using a mobile phone. And if you learn something new from this video, then give me a like and turn on the post notification. And do me one favor, share this to your friends so that they can learn how to make a good looking thumbnail just by using their phone. So I want to ask you a question. What type of phone are you using to create a content? So tell me in the video description below. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.